My name is Debbie. I'm the office coordinator for the practice. I am the welcome person. I'll be the first person that they see when they come into the office. I make sure that all their questions are answered, that they're comfortable. I'll offer refreshments, water or coffee. And we also have a large screen TV that if they'd like, they can sit and watch their favorite TV show. The atmosphere when you come into Dr. Taylor's office is very tranquil and very peaceful. You're going to find yourself very relaxed, and that is very important. As far as there are times we understand that people are apprehensive about coming to our office, and I want to guarantee you that by the time that you leave, you'll know that this is the place that you would like to have your periodontal therapy and implant therapy taken care of. I have worked with other dentists in the past. Actually, I worked for another periodontist for the past 11 years. And in comparison, I will say Dr. Taylor is very kind, warm, and he actually listens to the patients and their needs and then addresses them. Again, it's just that he takes the time with each patient and personalizes the care. What I like the most about working with Dr. Taylor is knowing that all of the patients that come to the practice are going to be taken care of with the highest quality level of care, and that they can have the full confidence that they are getting the best care in the area. Working with Dr. Taylor's staff is wonderful. I have worked at other offices through the years, but I must say I'm very impressed with the group of people that we have here. Very friendly, caring, we all look out for each other, and we are definitely a great team.